Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is transformation of sentences. The transformation of sentences is an excellent exercise as it teaches variety of expressions in writing English. The transformation of sentences consists in changing a sentence from one form to another without any change of meaning. There are so many ways like interchange of interrogative and assertive sentence, interchange of degrees of comparison, interchange of affirmative and negative sentences, interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentence, conversion of simple sentence to a complex sentence, conversion of a complex sentence to a simple sentence, conversion of a simple sentence to a compound sentence, conversion of complex sentence to a compound sentence, conversion of compound sentence to a complex sentence, conversion of compound sentence to a simple sentence, and interchange of parts of speech. Now, today I am going to discuss interchange of interrogative and assertive sentences. Example 1. In interrogative, can anyone do this? Assertive, no one can do this. 2. Interrogative, why waste time? Assertive, it is no use wasting time, or it is foolish to waste time. 3. Interrogative, what is the use of this statue? Assertive, there is no use of this statue. Example 4. Interrogative, is he not a grateful? Assertive, he is a grateful. 5. Interrogative, can anyone do this? Assertive, no one can do this. 6. Interrogative, is there anything wrong with me? Assertive, there is nothing wrong with me. 7. Interrogative, who would not flee from a state of bondage? Assertive, everyone would flee from a state of bondage. 8. Interrogative, what hope is there for me if you do not come? Assertive, there is no hope for me if you do not come. 9. Interrogative, was he not a villain to do such a deed? Assertive, he was a villain to do such a deed. 10. Interrogative, what though I fail? Assertive, it does not matter if I fail. 11. Interrogative, how can men die better than facing fearful odds? Assertive, men cannot die better than facing fearful odds. 12. Interrogative, can I ever repay your kindness? Assertive, I can never repay your kindness. 13. Interrogative, if you prick us, do we not bleed? Assertive, we bleed if you prick us. Interrogative. 14. Uh, are not the beauties of nature beyond description? Assertive, the beauties of nature beyond description. 15. Interrogative, when can their glory fade, or can their glory ever fade? Assertive, their glory can never fade. 16. Interrogative, who is so base that would be a bondman? Assertive, there is none so base that would be a bondman. 17. Interrogative, why does not love why does not who does not love his motherland? Assertive, everybody loves his motherland. 18. Interrogative, what though we happen to be late? Assertive, it does not matter much though we happen to be late. 19. Interrogative, do you not repent of your conduct? Assertive, surely you repent of your conduct. Surely you repent of your conduct. 20. Interrogative. Does anyone trust a liar? Assertive. Nobody trusts a liar. 21. Interrogative. Is there anything better than honesty? Assertive. There is nothing better than honesty. 22. Did he give me anything but love? Assertive. He gave me nothing but love. 23. Interrogative. What does Ram want but a government job? Assertive. Ram wants nothing but a government job. 24. Interrogative. Is there any man who does not wish to be happy? Assertive. Every man wishes to be happy. 25. Interrogative. Is there any mother who does not love her child? Assertive. Every mother loves her child. 26. Interrogative. Who trusts a liar? Assertive. Nobody trusts a liar. 27. Interrogative. Who can live alone? Assertive. No one can live alone. 28. Interrogative. Does not the sun rise in the east? Assertive. The sun rises in the east. 29. Interrogative. Was it not a good idea? Assertive. It was a good idea. 30. Interrogative. Who has no deeds? Who has no deeds? Assertive. Everybody has some deeds. 31. Interrogative. Can you never forget her? Assertive. You can never forget her. 32. Interrogative. Does Amit ever take tea? Assertive. Amit never takes tea. 33. Interrogative. Does not Ashish read English newspaper? Assertive. Ashish reads English newspaper. 34. Interrogative. Did she love me? Assertive. She never loved me. Into assertive sentence A, there is no helping verb. Into interrogative sentence, it will be used do, does, did. Assertive sentence nothing. Into interrogative sentence, it will be anything. Never, ever. Nothing but, anything but. Every plus noun. Is there any plus noun? Someone, somebody, nobody, no one. But in interrogative sentence, it is used, who is used. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.